I like to put a little extra in there because one thing I usually get out there, write blogs, is more questions. So it's better to put those questions in there. So, yo, what's going on, everybody? Back again with another video for you guys today. And I guess it's kind of a little part 2 video, trying to really figure out what I was going to do. And I thought about this. This is something that a lot of people do at the end of the blogs that even some of the big dogs, some people don't like. One thing that I always called at the end of their, towards the middle end of their video, when they get towards the, the bottom part of the conclusion, they say, take it out, right? And you're going to replace it with something. So I'm about to show you this awesome new AI tool that's going to help you with these frequent asked questions. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that I showed in my last video. If you haven't checked it, I should put it, boom, right there. Aha, that was going the other way, didn't you? So I'm gonna put it right there. So check it out, explaining why I'm doing this even more in, I'm gonna say more in depth, but just give you a little bit more information. So let me show you what I'm doing. Right now, I am using this service called Harpa AI. That's it, Harpa AI, right? It's Harpa, yeah, Harpa AI. I was about to say harpoon, but Harpa AI that you can find in the Google Chrome store. Now, also as well, if you go through YouTube, you'll be able to show a lot of videos. So I'm not really going in depth about everything that this tool does. There are a couple of videos that are out there, and if you guys want to know what those videos are, you just got to go to description down below, go to my resource page where I have all those videos that I watch that help these type of things, because I believe in promoting other people's content that has also helped me progress myself to help them grow as well, because this information is fire. I don't deal with just anybody. I deal with people that some of the information that they provide that I use, that I know that is helpful, that I will share with you guys. So that's what it is. So this is Harpa, right? So basically what you're going to do is at the end of your blogs, you're going to want to replace conclusions with frequent asked questions. Now, normally some of these AI writers out here, they also give you some already. I like to put a little extra in there because one thing I usually get out there, write blogs, is more questions. So it's better to put those questions in there. So the keyword that I was using was social bee pricing. All right, that's basically what my blog is over social bee pricing. And one of the reasons why I picked it here is because there's really no ads. There's, a couple of things here and there. And I feel that I have opportunity to be able to rank for this keyword, right? So don't y'all try and write blogs on it too. Don't y'all be jumping over here. I found it fair and square. Joking. Anyway, all right. So as you can see, we got finger ask questions here that you can use as well. But I like using Harpa because, like I said, you got to copy and paste it, go and read it here and there. All those type of things, right? So you want to answer those questions too, but at the same time, you want some extra questions. Okay. So say that you may have a write something else about social bee. Keep putting these frequent asked questions at the end of your maybe not all of them, but at least 2 or 3 of them. You want to put these frequent asked questions if it's still dealing with social bee pricing, some deal with the question. So I come over here to Harpa, and with Harpa, I type in, you want to type in forward slash FAQ, right? And I got too many slashes in there. All right, FAQ. So right here, you will see frequent asked questions and answer writer. So this AI will write it for you. So you click the button. I normally have to go back one, leave it blank, or move forward, just get, sometimes this little blue arrow pops up, sometimes it doesn't. But I'll go over here and just hit, you can hit page text or just hit page, and then it will go through, right? So like some of these questions you already have within, sorry about the noise. Some of these questions that it writes, it may be in some of your content, but like I said, you want to go through and look through this information. Like this one here, what is the best pricing plan for social bee? 9 times out of 10, since this pulls it straight from Google, most likely the information is right, but you want to double check, especially when it comes to prices. So basically, this is how simple it is. All right. So like I said, you get multiple questions. Like you don't have to put all, and another thing too, you don't have to put all these questions on here. Let it write, right? Because some of these questions and features and stuff as well, you can also use these frequent asked questions as blog titles as well. So if you have a certain way that you like getting blog titles, do that by using these questions. These are what people are asking. This is what people want to know. That's the main thing. Finger asked questions is the most powerful tool when it comes to marketing, because it's 9 times out of 10 is questions people are asking about that service. All right, so I got 10 of them, right? In the blog that I have written, we have over we have 6. Right, I want 3 more at the end in there because I'm taking out the conclusion. So I pop in a couple, FAQs, whatever, and put those down there as well. That's a way that you can fill up your word count, be seen over here as well, and Google most likely will pull you in. So if you guys want to know the result of this blog that I'm about to write, that I'm using this process with, let me know down in the comment section. I put it on there. So I want to thank you guys for checking out the video. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. I hope this information is helpful. I'll try making it short and sweet. So you guys have a great day. Wherever time you watch this, great day, great weekend. God blessing to you and your family. And I'll catch y'all later. All right. Peace.